Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to close your Capital One credit card. Whether you are consolidating your accounts or simply don't need the card anymore, I will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before closing your credit card, make sure to pay off any outstanding balance. This is very important because closing a card with a balance can negatively affect your credit score. If you have any rewards points or cashbacks earned on your Capital One card, redeem them before closing the account. Once it is closed, you may lose access to those rewards. Next, you will need to contact Capital One's customer service to request the closure. You can either call the number on the back of your card or use the customer service option in the Capital One mobile app. When you reach a representative, you will be asked to verify your identity. So be prepared to provide personal information like your social security number and account details. Once your identity is confirmed, let the representative know you would like to close your credit card account. They may ask why, but it is entirely your choice how much detail you provide. After your request is processed, you should receive a confirmation that the account has been closed. It is good idea to ask for written confirmation either by email or mail for your records. And that's how you close a Capital One credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.